Yes, YouTube, welcome back. We're in the midst of a hot boy summer. Bikes are coming in, bikes are going out, the sun is shining, got a bit of a tan, all is well. So what are we doing today? Suzuki GZ125. These are one of my favourite builds. The aesthetics of them just changed dramatically, but you'll see it as the build goes on. So let's have a quick walk round, sort of discuss what we're doing. Let's get cracking. So here she is. I think it's 2003 or 2004. Someone's had a go at it before, tried to make sort of like a choppery type thing. It's actually quite nice, I do quite like it, but it's not the style we go for. And when it's done, they're like a million times better. So much nicer than this. So yeah, the plan is, so tank comes off, seat off, we strip all this down, exhaust off. These twin shocks, we do away with them, and then we put a nice single shock through the middle. We do away with all this frame, jack the bike up. As you can see at the minute, the picture of the forks is quite sort of slanted back, just because it's a chopper. So when we jack that up, we're bringing the geometry up, so it's more like a Flattracker. It sits nice and flat, and a little bit higher, so the seat position's a bit higher. Yeah, new frame through the back, nice tank and nice seat through there, nice exhaust underneath. And then yeah, set white wall tyres on here, and that's that. So I think we'll start by stripping the bike down, and then yeah, we'll get the rear shock in, start making that frame. Hit that subscribe button now, sit tight, and let's do this.
Klein. Klein.
Right then people, so where are we at? So we started by getting the bike stripped down. We've got this nice big solid single shock in the middle, really nice strong mounts down the bottom and nice ones up the top, but I'll whip this off in a sec and show you how I've done that. So yeah, single shocks in, the tank's fitted with new mounts, the seat's fitted, we've got this lovely frame that runs around the back, and then twin supports here. There's also braced underneath, so it's nice and strong. It's stronger than it needs to be, but I would rather it was too strong than not strong enough. So yeah, we've also got the battery tray is in down here. We've got this nice stainless exhaust all welded up. The sort of swoops down, nice downpipe into this stainless GP can. The lower bars are on. Yeah, so I think all the welding's done. So I'll just give you a quick walk around and show you what I've done so far. So yeah, here's the exhaust. Yeah, mounted to the head there, and we've got another nice strong mount down there. It just sort of sweeps down and flicks down at the back. Really happy with that. Seat. So we've got two mount holes there that go through the chassis, and then 4 at the back as well. And there. And then for the tank, set of rubber mounts at the front, and then that all gets pinched in here on this chassis mount. And yeah, you can see it's nice and thick here. I think it's about 7mm thick. The standard ones are only about 2 or 3mm thick, so it's double strong. Yeah, and it's all nice and flowing. So I think the plan now, I'm going to get the engine serviced, get it running, fire it up, see what that exhaust sounds like. Get the wiring done, wire all the lights in, and all the switches and bits and bobs, get all the harness wrapped. We'll get the tyres and tubes on. We've got the white wall tyres, really fat tyres, they're like 140s and 130s. They're nice and wide, so yeah, you can throw it around the corners and they handle really nice. They're really nice sticky tyres. Once we've done that, we'll strip it down and paint it, and then yeah, get it back together. So yeah, service the engine, get it running, wiring, tyres and tubes, and paint. So yeah, the welder's packed away now. Don't know if you can see, but I am covered in crap, all itchy and covered in metal, but that's all done. So yeah, time for the nice clean stuff. Let's do this, final bit. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you at the end. got a complete bike. We've got the tyres and tubes on, we've got these nice fat Harley Davidson white walls on here. They're quite expensive, but they do just change the bike. And again, they're really sticky, they stick to the ride nice, they're nice and fat. We've got all the welding done, so the suspension mounts are in. We've got this single shock now rather than twins at the back. Exhaust all done, flows nice down here. We've got this nice stainless can on the end. Seat frame's done, twin bars in there, it's all braced in, tanks fitted, seats fitted, it's wired up, it is done. So it's time now to strip it down and paint it. I'll give you a quick close up before we paint it, and then yeah, we'll set the camera up, get it stripped down and get it painted. So yeah, you can see here just how fat these tyres are. They really are nice and big and chunky. They've got a nice tread pattern on there. Right then guys, let's get it stripped down and get it painted. Again, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you at the end. Let's do this.
Klein.
Yes people, we're outside and she is an absolute 10 out of 10. Look at this old girl. Wasn't 100% on the colours, but then yeah, painted the tank and just went for it, and it's looking sick. White wall tyres are looking nice. Tank goes nice, we've got these little turquoise accents just here as well. Nice stainless pipe, proper beautiful bike this. Just fire it up quick so you can hear it. Running sweet, it's looking sweet. A few nice little touches as well. Done this nice little honeycomb shock cover just here, so it's quite a clean shock, so I thought I'd protect that, and it's just a nice little touch. So yeah guys, that is another build in the bag. Yes people, so we are done. Another bike all done. Over the moon with this, absolute peach. Really smart bike. I've got some more footage of it over on Instagram at Aurora Coach Building. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you like stuff like this, there's plenty more of it coming, and I'll see you at the next episode.